This video will show you how to replace the Whale inline pressure switch. Ensure the system has been drained and depressurized. Disconnect the 2 wires as shown. This is the high pressure side, and this is the low pressure side. Be aware that residual water may remain in your system and be ready with something to soak up any spillage that may occur. Remove the push fit from the high pressure side of the pressure switch. Once detached, replace the pressure switch as quickly as possible. This will prevent any remaining water coming out of the pipe. If the pressure switch is screwed to the floor, remove the 2 screws as shown. Disconnect the pressure switch from the Quick Connect push fit, which is on the low pressure side. Connect the new pressure switch that is already connected to the high pressure side, ensuring the direction of flow is correct. Refer to the arrow on the side of the pressure switch body for indication. Screw the pressure switch back to the floor if mounted there. Push the Quick Connect fittings toward the pressure switch to secure. Reconnect the wires as shown, bearing in mind they are not polarity sensitive. For more information on our products, please visit whalepumps.com.